Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg-free donuts at home using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients and ensure you have all the necessary tools ready for a smooth baking process. We'll walk through each step, from mixing the dough to frying and glazing, ensuring your homemade donuts turn out perfectly. This recipe is straightforward and yields wonderfully soft, flavorful treats that everyone will love. Let's get started on creating these delightful egg-free donuts. For our egg-free donut dough, you'll start by combining your dry ingredients in a large bowl. That's 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give those a good whisk. In a separate bowl, mix 1 cup of milk with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, slowly add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A slightly lumpy dough is perfectly fine. Once your dough is mixed, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it gently for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Next, roll the dough to a thickness of approximately 1/2 inch. Use a 3-inch donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Don't forget the donut holes. Place your cut donuts on a parchment-lined tray and let them rest for about 15 minutes. This brief proofing time helps them become light and airy when fried. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they're beautifully golden brown. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and place them on a wire rack to drain. While still warm, you can dip them in your favorite glaze or simply dust them with powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade, egg-free donuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.